welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share a simple yet amazing DIY recipe for your dark neck. Yes, you heard it right. Almost all of us have this problem due to various reasons. The reasons can be usually we women have the tendency of wearing ornaments each and every day. Due to that also sometimes it happens that we get our neck darker than its color. It can be due to its that ornaments allergy, or even more sun exposure, or even using lot of deodorants around the neck area can also cause skin darkening around the neck. So here I am with a simple 2 recipes that will help you get rid of your dark neck. And let's get started with the recipe. For the first recipe, what you'll require is recipe or DIY, you can say. I have taken here half tablespoon of rice flour or chawal ka atta, and in that I have added a pinch of turmeric. And in this powder we are going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato juice or tomato pulp. Tomato pulp, let's mix it. Make a fine paste out of it. Paste in the sense it should be like a scrub consistency, this way, not too thick, not too thin. Just you should be able to apply to your neck area. And this is the scrub ready. These 2 DIYs recipes are the scrubs that you can apply on your neck area, or like shoulder also, if you are feeling that you have darker shoulders. And in this tomato juice, tomato pulp we have used, which is very good in reducing the darkness of the skin. It also helps in reducing the suntan. And the rice flour which we have used acts as an excellent exfoliator. It acts as a very good scrub. And in that we have used a pinch of turmeric also. The turmeric also helps in brightening the skin. So use this scrub on your neck area twice to thrice a week, and keep it while applying. Just apply this and let it set for 15 to 20 minutes, and then when it dries, just wet your fingertips or wet your palm and just start scrubbing your whole neck area for good 2 to 3 minutes. Then after that, wash off with normal tap water or cold water. Use this remedy at least 2 to 3 times a week to get a visible result. And now I'll show you the second recipe. The second recipe includes, this is a mixture of a few things I'll tell you. Actually I have made a short, what you can say, a short batch of this scrub for myself. I use this usually. So in that I have used gram flour, that is besan. I have taken approx 4 tablespoons of gram flour, and 4 to 5 tablespoons of red lentils, split red lentils, that is also called as masoor dal in Hindi. Split masoor dal, आधी tukda masoor dal बिना छिलके वाली, that I have used. And in that also I have added a pinch of turmeric, and I have kept this mixture ready for whenever I feel like using a homemade scrub, DIY scrub. I use that while I am bathing. So this is the second DIY scrub. In that we are going to add approx half teaspoon of multani mitti or fuller's earth. And to make the mixture out of this, we are going to use water. This moong dal, red masoor dal acts as a very good exfoliator. It also helps in exfoliating the skin very nicely. So just make this scrub and apply this scrub on your neck area fully, and then let it dry. In same way, when it dries, just wet your fingertips and scrub it for good 2 to 3 minutes, and then rinse it off. You can alternatively do this remedies, like first you can do this for 2 days, like first time you do this, then second time you do this, again this. Just keep on changing and you will see the results within a few weeks, very visible results. And please do try it, and don't forget to comment your results with me. Don't forget to share them with me. And I'll give you a tip. Please don't apply deodorants around your neck area, because The deodorants contains alcohol, which is very bad for the skin, and as you apply this and when you go out in the sun, it reacts with the skin, tends to give a darker skin tone. So please don't, instead you can use perfumes which smell good, just little amount of perfume. Don't use deodorants. And till next time, take care, and please do try this and let me know your results. And don't forget to like my video. Please do share it, and please do subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye.